Introducing Coral FR, a textile entrance flooring system for rail vehicles. Coral has been the market-leading textile entrance flooring brand for the last 50 years, offering more choice than ever before with attractive and sustainable clean-off systems in different styles and constructions. First impressions are crucial, which is why effective entrance flooring that stops dirt and moisture being tracked into rail carriages is fundamental to modern rail vehicle design. Coral FR offers safety for your passengers, protection for your interior floor coverings and reduction in cleaning, repair and maintenance costs, style for your interior, contribution to a healthier environment. All Coral FR products comply to all the main international fire, smoke and toxicity standards for rail, including EN 45545-2. Why choose Coral FR for rail vehicles? Coral FR is an extremely versatile textile entrance system for rail interiors that can reduce cleaning costs by up to 65% and prolong the lifetime of saloon floor coverings and finishes. Stops up to 95% of walked-in dirt and moisture. Excellent soil hiding and moisture absorbing properties. Significantly reduces the risk of slip and fall incidences. Saving money using Forbo's entrance flooring systems. To allow for the quickest installation of entrance systems, the Coral FR service offering includes cut to size and/or shape, ensures a fitting solution for any vestibule geometry. Innovative installation solutions, to ensure that the floor covering is installed and the train can re-enter operation with minimum delay. Forbo project management services ensure the highest flexibility to meet your demands. Saving the environment. Waste yarn from Coral FR production is reused by the yarn supplier. Virtually zero landfill has been achieved by the Coral manufacturing plant. Coral FR products are produced using 100% green electricity from renewable sources. Coral Brush FR, Duo FR and Welcome FR products use Econile yarn, which is made from abandoned fishing nets. Coral FR is manufactured with a natural-based rubber backing. The Coral FR range. Coral Classic FR, the ultimate moisture absorber. Coral Brush FR, the great all-rounder. Coral Duo FR, the ultimate dirt and moisture remover. Coral Welcome FR, where design meets environment. Research shows that taking just 2 steps on Coral Classic's moisture-absorbing yarns is enough to absorb half of the footborne moisture that would otherwise be carried inside on the soles of people's shoes. With 12 colourways to choose from, there is sure to be one to work with your interior design scheme. Coral Brush FR is a functional all-rounder that absorbs moisture and removes dry soiling. There are 14 solid references to choose from, which will work well with any rail interior. Coral Duo FR is the ideal solution when you need the maximum dirt removal, unrivaled dirt retention and exceptional moisture absorption, all in just a few paces. 6 colourways, each giving a great aesthetic. With its contemporary linear design and rich, deep pile, Coral Welcome FR has both the style and aesthetic appeal, making an unequivocal statement in any entrance area. This design comes in 8 different colourways. Whether you're looking to recreate a logo or match that perfect colour for your interior, we have a design team with the knowledge and technology to help and guide you every step of the way. For more information or to request a visit from a key account manager, please contact Forbo Flooring Systems, either by telephone, email or online. If you'd like to be kept up to date regarding product updates, industry news and events, then sign up via our website to our quarterly newsletter, Transpress. And don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter for daily updates, regular blogs and current industry news.